Hello dear friends, today we are going to do the unboxing of these three exquisite models from JC Wings. All Star Wars related, all Star Wars models, all Boeing. Boeing 767 with R2-D2 on it, Boeing 777 777 with C-3PO design, and the Star Wars Boeing 787, the Dreamliner. So let's start. Let's start with the first one. Okay. I'll put it here for time being. Okay, let's move this one to the left and open this one. Ta-da! Okay, here we have the stand, beautiful as always. Let's now take out the Boeing 7. Okay, here we are. The wheels are already on. Okay, seems everything is in order. With R2-D2 here, we have very beautiful. I guess on the other side as well. Oh, it's BB-8 here. Okay, so good. We have 2-in-1 here. Very good. And let's put it on the stand. Okay, one model is ready to go into its shelf. Okay, nothing else here. Put the box back together. Now the second one. Okay, Boeing 777-200ER. All three models are from ANA, All Nihon Airlines, inspiration of Japan. Okay, here we are. This is the largest one out of all three, but they're all 1/200 scale. Diecast. Okay, this one has a card, which is perfect because I love when the models have their plastic cards, because in addition to the planes, I also collect plastic cards. So this will go also to my other collection as well. Okay, now let's take this C-3PO inspired model out. Okay, we'll need to put the chassis on. Very beautiful, very beautiful. No flaws, everything seems in order. Okay, let's get it on the stand for a second, and then get back to the wheels. I always prefer the wheels on rather than with closed version. So let's put them on. I will keep the card separately as well. Okay, here we have 3 sets of wheels. Okay, once again. Okay, this goes in the front, certainly. Okay, here we have it. And now the back wheels. Okay, here we are, 1 and 2. All set. Now we can replace it back on its mount on the stand, and here we have the second one. Okay, we don't need any of these. I'll keep the card separately. Okay, here we are. Now the third one, the Dreamliner. Here we go again. Yep. Again, beautiful stand. Oh, by the way, this one has flaps, is the flaps down version. So let me show you. Okay, let's remove this plastic all around it. Just keeping it safe. Now, okay, here we are, Star Wars. You can see the flaps down, all again beautifully down. No flaws here. Very good. Very good. Oh, you can see how beautifully the engines have been modeled. Okay, I like this one as well. Okay, for a couple of seconds on the stand while I take out the wheels to be mounted to their places. It says Dreamliner, ANA, Inspiration of Japan, Star Wars. Okay. Careful. One second, let's take this out. Okay. First, we have the back wheels. Okay, everything is in order, safely in place, and here we are. Whoop. Okay. Okay, here are 3 more models from my Diecast airplane models collection. All 3 by JC Wings, all 3 from ANA. I actually collect only the models of the planes that I have flown on, preferably with the same registration numbers, but sometimes I make exceptions for such beauties. Another ANA model is the one with the Pokemon themed livery. So this will go, and I will show it to you later. This will go to the same place on the same show with them. ANA, Star Wars, Boeing 767, 777, and 787. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention, and I'll be back with more models later.